Importing good looks simple: place an order, ship the good, clear customs. But in reality, most importers face delay, penalty, and losses because of small mistake at different stages of the import process. Hi, my name is Srishti. I am here the marketing manager, and in this video, I'll explain the entire import process, the real problems importers face at each stage, and the practical solution that actually help. First, product identification, the foundation of importers. Every import starts with understanding the product correctly. A very common misunderstanding is that the HSN code is decided by the product name. In reality, custom look at the product, what is the product is made of, how it functions, and how it is used. When this is not analyzed properly, duty calculations changes, custom raises objection, and the clearance gets delayed. That's why identifying the correct HSN code at the beginning, along with checking whether the product is restricted or needs approval, is one of the most important steps in importing. Second, mandatory compliance, where most imports get stuck. Many products entering India require mandatory certifications. Electronic may need BIS or CRS, packed good fall under LMPC, and the product related to plastic, e-waste, batteries or tires require EPR registration. A lot of importers come to know about these requirements only when the good reach at the custom, and by then it's too late. Experienced importer always verify compliance requirement before placing the order, because for the regulated product and compliance cannot be fixed after the shipment arrives. Third, custom duty, IGST cost surprises. Custom duty is not just a percentage added randomly. It depends upon the declared value, the HSN code, and the applicable duty structure. IGST is charged on the total value, including custom duty. When values are not declared properly or the clarification is unclear, custom may reassess the shipment, which increases cost unexpectedly. Fourth, IGCR scheme, benefits with responsibility. The IGCR scheme allows manufacturers to import goods at reduced or zero duty when they are used for manufacturing. While this scheme is beneficial, it also comes with strict conditions. Import under IGCR are closely monitored and records must be maintained from import to production. Businesses that maintain proper documentation and reporting benefit from the scheme. Those who don't often face recovery notices and penalties later. Fifth, freight forwarding, shipping challenges. Freight costs change frequently due to fuel prices, container availability, port congestion, and seasonal demand. Delays at the original port or small mistakes in shipping documents like the bill of lading or airways bill can impact clearance timelines and costs. Working with reliable flight partners and verify shipping document before dispatch makes a big difference. Sixth, custom clearance, the biggest bottleneck. Custom clearance require accurate documentation like invoice, packaging list, bill of entry, compliance certificates, and licenses where applicable. Even a minor mismatch in document can lead to queries, physical examination, and additional charges like demurrages and detection. Importers who review documents and compliance status before the shipment arrive usually experience much smoother clearance. Seventh, manufacturing and usage of imported goods. Once goods are cleared, they must be used exactly for the purpose declared at the time of import, especially when duty benefits or special schemes are involved. Custom authorities can audit usage later, maintaining trackabilities from import to production, help businesses stay free during inspection and audits. 8. Post-import compliance often ignored. Many importers assume the job is done after the custom clearance. In reality, several responsibilities continues like GST filing, EPR returns, IGCR reports and record maintenance. Missing these can result in notice, penalties or even cancellation of registration. Businesses that follow a compliance calendar and maintain proper record stay stress-free in the long run. 9th, warehouse storage risk. Unless clearance is completed, goods must be stored at the approved locations. Improper storage, stock mismatch or lack of documentation during warehouse can create a financial losses and compliance issue later. Using appropriate warehouse included bonded warehouse when required and maintaining accurate inventory record is crucial. 10th, domestic logistic and distribution, the final stage. The final stage is domestic logistics and distribution. After import, goods face challenges such as high transport cost, last mile delivery delays, documentation issue and GST mismatch. Planning logistics properly and keeping GST documentation aligned help avoid unnecessary complications. One small mistake at any stage of import process can delay the entire shipment and increase costs. When businesses understand the complete import process from product identification to post-import compliance, they import with confidence and control. Global Solution and Compliance Private Limited is a leading consultancy in India offering comprehensive end-to-end solution for supply chain management. We provide a complete, all-inclusive logistic package under one roof, covering air freight, cargo insurance, custom duty payment, custom clearance, and the last mile local delivery. From the initial planning stage to the final delivery, we manage the entire logistics and compliance process seamlessly. Our integrated approaches ensure smooth coordination across the logistic operations and the supply chain management. For any queries or support, feel free to reach out using the phone number and the mail ID displayed on the screen.